Let's go, man. Oh, shit, I like that title. Yeah, man, y'all already know what it is, man. Agent 00 Flow, man. Statrick Ewing, man. I'm in the motherfucking building. Killer Gorilla Calion, bitch. Run it.
All right. Kyle, tell us what you've been up to. You made changes with your camp and on your own.
I mean that's the best way to really do it, my nigga. Like, you know, I'd rather stand on my own 10 toes, man, because sometimes when you do it like 20, man, you got to run with the nigga leg tied to yours. We going to either trip, fall on our face or not. And when I'm standing on my own too, man, I ain't got to be mad at nobody but me. If I crash or burn, my nigga, it's on me.
All right. How's it been working for you? I see you made other changes. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, nah, my nigga, I ain't got nothing in the, man, my nigga, I ain't doing no complaining because ain't nobody listening. Me and my right hand man, my nigga, we in these streets every day doing what the fuck it is we need to do, my nigga. We just dropped this shit as well, from nothing to something, my nigga, and the title speak for itself because it's the truth. I got Trill on the way, my nigga. It's gonna be the greatest shit since the diary, and I bet any nigga whatever that think different.
That's a big statement, the greatest shit nigga, since the diary.
We haven't had no type of material out here like that since then. And I felt like, my nigga, what's been taking me so long, my nigga, because everybody been spinning their wheels with the same shit. What made H-Town what H-Town is, my nigga, is the Ghetto Boys. What made H-Town what H-Town is was UGK, my nigga. I haven't really heard too many bodies of work like that. So my objective was to go in the studio and put out bodies of work to that magnitude, my nigga. And I felt like I done that with Trill, my nigga. And I don't give a fuck if a nigga think different. Put your money where your mic is, my nigga, because we ain't hurting for shit.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
What's the first single?
First single is Essay, my nigga. That's the first street single. Then I'm going to backdoor with another one where it's UGK featuring A$AP Rocky. I'm going to shoot that one out there. It's called Doja Sweets. So, my nigga, I ain't gonna lie, my nigga, I ain't got nothing but nuclear bombs on this one.
So when you dropping the videos?
The video, we actually just knocked out a couple of the videos for it. But right now, it's a strategic play, my nigga. We just gonna own the city, my nigga. I ain't letting niggas come down here on All-Star and take over.
Well, let's make a deal, right?
Let's go.
We'll get you a feature on the show.
Yeah.
Feature interview, sit down, holler at our host. Chris Waters, our host.
Yeah, Chris Ward, host.
Yeah.
Weez, hold up.
There you go.
Oh, man.
And you dropped the world premiere with us.
I ain't fucked up.
And you have a premiere, you get to talk about it, the song, the single, the whole, and everybody else gonna just throw you on their shit and say,
oh, nah, we ain't tripping, my nigga. We working over here, my nigga. It's H-Town before anything, my nigga. Like, you ain't got the streets and you ain't got your house, my nigga. Don't nobody respect that shit. You gotta be the man in your house, my nigga, and that's just how this shit go. If you ain't the man in your house, ain't nobody else gonna rock with you or fuck with you, my nigga. You gotta be the shit here first. You know what I'm saying? Not just Twitter and Instagram famous, but being the man far as niggas that niggas respect. Musically and your track record speak for itself, my nigga. So them the attributes I was raised on. You know what I'm saying? Somehow niggas act like music and money make you real, man. I know a bunch of fake niggas that's rich. You know what I'm saying? And that's what make niggas appreciate the music more, my nigga. I live everything I done been through, my nigga. Ain't no third person, what you see, what you get, my nigga. We authors at the end of the day, but I vow to get the streets what the streets been missing, my nigga. I can't stand cutting on the radio and not hearing H-Town, but everybody else doing H-Town right now. That hurts. So I vow to keep it 100 to the streets of my city, and to the street niggas that's out there, and to the listeners that's out there, my nigga. All the content gotta go together. When shit not matching and flip-flopping, my nigga, shit looks suspect, and I be damned if I be pleading guilty. Straight up.
That's what's up. Give us the Trap House TV.
You already know what it is, man. Trap House TV, Killer Calion, man. Team running, we running, my nigga. My nigga crazy, man, in the motherfucking building, my nigga. And streets ain't safe, bro. You niggas putting that bullshit out, my nigga. I swear to God, bullshit is chewed up water and grass, my nigga. And that's what these niggas been putting out. Not us. Not us. Got a problem with it, my nigga. You know what to do, man. 2 + 2 = 4, man. Come fuck with us like we owe you something. Run it.